Do is prove formula trig. You ready? Connor. Formula trig is the cosine rule. You have to prove that a squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos a. That's what you have to prove. Okay? In order to prove this, what you're going to do is you're going to form a unit circle like last time. Okay? On this unit circle then, we're going to have a center, and it's going to have your xy axis like last time. Okay? Now, once we've completed the xy axis, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to construct a blue triangle. Blue triangle is going to look something like this. Okay? Now, if I was to choose the letters wrong, you'll just get a different proof but in a different order, and then you can just interchange them. I'll tell you what that means. As an example, let's say you put the A, B and C in the wrong place. Instead of proving this formula here, you might end up proving this formula here. But what is the difference between the two formulas? It's just an interchange. So if you end up proving the wrong one, just say, oh, this is a different variation. You can interchange the letters to get your original proof. So if you end up with the wrong letters, all your work is not gone. Okay? Now, it is better just to know roughly where to put the angle to begin with. Okay? So the angle we're going to deal with is A. This is angle A. This is going to be angle C, or sorry, angle B, and this one here is going to be angle C. Okay? By that logic, this here is length B, this one here is length A, and this one here is length C. Are we happy so far? Now, I can put this as a point on the circle. Remember what we said earlier? It's r cos theta, r sin theta. But this time the angle is A. And what's the radius?
B.
B. So this point here is B cos A and B sin A. What point is this here? It's positive x-axis. The y value has to be 0. And here it is. C and 0. It can't be put as cos and sine because it's not on the outside of the circle. Only points on the outside of the circle can be written that way. So this one's just something that's on the x-axis. Remember, it starts at the origin, 0, 0, goes across a length c to the right. Therefore, it has to be the point c0. Okay? Now, okay, we're going to use the distance formula, lads. The distance formula is going to be used for A. So we're going to call this, what way we do this? x2, y2. Call that one x1, y1. Distance formula is equal to the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. The distance we're looking for is A. A therefore equals the square root of. Okay, so what's it going to be? x2 minus x1? C minus B cos A squared. The next one's going to be 0 minus B sin A squared. Now, I'm going to square both sides because remember the cosine rule is A squared, not A. So remember, I'm going to square both sides. I'm going to get A squared equals. Now, what is C minus B cos A squared? I'll just write it out longhand first. C minus B cos A, and then that's going to be C minus B cos A, and the next one's just going to be B squared sine squared A. You happy enough with that?
Yeah.
Just this part here squared out. Now we're going to multiply. A squared, there comes our C squared right there. That's going to be minus BC cos A. This one here, another minus BC cos A. What can I do to the two of them now?
2BC cos A.
Okay, 2bc cos A. And then b cos A multiplied by b cos A. A plus b squared sine squared A. Now, very close to getting what we want. What we're looking for in 2 lines time is this. Check, we're missing the b squared. Factorize this and you get b squared into cos squared A plus sine squared A. Now if you've done any trigonometry revision in the last year, you'll know that equals 1. And therefore your b squared goes in there, and that's the proof of your cosine rule. Cosine rule proof is not that bad.